Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Dell laptop. It's a Dell Latitude model number 5330. And in this video I'm going to answer the questions. I'm going to demonstrate what people keep asking me. People are asking me, how can I upgrade the RAM on this laptop? And I always keep telling them that you cannot upgrade the RAM on this laptop. The reason is the RAMs on this one, it comes soldered on the board, so it's not exchangeable, it's not a RAM then. They say they go to the task manager, it shows 1 out of 2, 2 out of 2, is slot available. That's just the Windows trying to communicate with the BIOS and misunderstanding. And even the RAMs on the board, soldered ones, it detects like a slot. It is not. I'm going to open it up so you guys don't have to open up to your laptop and show you guys that there is no RAM on this laptop. All right. To open it up, first thing we need a good screwdriver set. I'll be using an iFix screwdriver set. From this tool set, we're going to be using a Phillips number 1. First thing first, we're going to loosen up all the screws on the bottom cover. These screws, they have something called a C-lock, so the screws will not come out entirely. So pretty much you just have to loosen up and leave them hanging in there. So go ahead and loosen up. Now, we're going to grab our opening tool. For the opening tool, I'll be using a guitar pick. We're going to stick it bottom cover and the palm rest. We're going to wiggle it around. We're going to hear those click sounds. That's fine. Those are the clips are getting loose. So you're going to do that all around. I'm sticking about 1 or 2 millimeter of the guitar pick, not the whole guitar pick. We do the side, and we're going to grab it from the front and wiggle around, and it will remove the top cover. And right away here, we can see that there is no RAM. The RAMs look like this, and there is no RAM space in here. This is an SSD. This is the power management. For the power management stuff down here, there's nothing in here, even not the space for a RAM. And I have opened this board completely, and I have seen the RAM soldered right on there on the other side of the board. It's like a tiny solder on the motherboard. So there's nothing that you can do that based on that. So you can put RAM, that's a CPU, RAM. The RAM is on the other side, SSD. You have your Wi-Fi board and your battery right in here. And that's it. There's not much you can do in here. So that answers the questions for people. Can you show us inside of the laptop? There you go. This is what you get. So if you got the 8 gig version, that's what you stuck with. If you get the 16, you get 16. So from the beginning, choose the 32 gig version so you don't have to worry about upgrading the RAM. I made a video how to upgrade the storage. You can watch that to increase the performance if you want to. All right, once you finish with that, just put the bottom cover in, push down the sides, and tighten up the screws. Again, if you guys like this video and helped you guys out and answer your questions, you can support the channel by hitting the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in the video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the bottom screws.